Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to open or exit incognito mode in browser in Samsung A17. If you're using A17, you want to open or exit incognito mode. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your browser, and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner, and here you'll get new incognito tab. Just tap on it, and here you can easily get incognito mode. Here you just have to search for which you want. Once you have, here you can see the incognito mode has been enabled. You have two different ways. First is that you just have to tap on this option and it will close all incognito tabs. The second way is that just go ahead here, and here just tap on this tab number icon, tap on it. From here just tap on this glass option. It will close all incognito tabs. So that's how you can easily open or exit incognito mode in browser in Samsung A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.